In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Ardenne Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Ardenne Prep. Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is this verse found? Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not turn from it.
Revelation?
Incorrect. Proverbs. Friendship. Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is this verse? And now abides faith, hope, and charity, but the greatest of these is charity.
Proverbs.
Incorrect. 1 Corinthians. Jamaican affairs. A visual question. Ardenne, look at the monitor and identify this person.
PJ Patterson.
Incorrect. Jamaican attorney at law. Isaac Buchanan. Jamaican affairs. A visual question. Friendship. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andrew Holding.
Incorrect. Peter Champagny, Jamaican attorney. Ardenne, science. What is the term used to describe seeing something that is not really there?
Illusion.
Or optical illusion. That's correct. Science. Friendship. What is the name for an artificial land habitat?
Enclosure.
Incorrect. Terrarium. Television. A visual question. Ardenne, look at the monitor and identify this person. Time has passed. Would you like to try friendship?
No, thank you.
Tom Hanks. Television. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Friendship.
Denzel Washington.
That's right. English language. Ardenne. Spell alacrity.
Alacrity.
That's right. English language. Friendship. Spell fallacy.
Fallacy.
Incorrect. Fallacy. Sports. A visual question. Ardenne, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Darren Bravo.
That's right. Former West Indies cricketer. Sports. A visual question. Friendship. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Haley Matthews.
Correct. West Indies cricketer. General knowledge. Ardenne, who was the first female Prime Minister of Great Britain?
Miguel Washington.
Incorrect. Margaret Thatcher. Friendship. General knowledge. Who was the first female Prime Minister of Dominica?
Dame Mary Eugenia Charles.
That is correct. Ardenne, social studies. What is the Jamaican name for the dish consisting of pickled mackerel, coconut milk, herbs, and spices?
Dip and fall back.
Incorrect. Rundung or fling me far. Friendship, social studies. What is the Jamaican name for saltfish fritters?
Stamp and go.
Correct. Music. Which wooden string instrument is also known as a fiddle?
Violin.
That is correct. Friendship, music. To which family of instruments does the saxophone belong?
Woodwind.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the result when you subtract 987 from 3,634? And that's for you, Ardenne.
$2,647.
That's correct. Friendship, mathematics. What is the result when you subtract 657 from 2,425? Your time has passed. Would you like to try, Ardenne?
Yes, sir. 1,768.
That is correct. Jamaican affairs, Ardenne, and we don't have time for that question. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Ardenne Prep on 6 and Friendship Primary on 5. Before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Keep track of existing extracurricular activities to prevent overscheduling. A very wise and important tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.